All right, today we're gonna bring a Christmas tree light. Now this one has a remote control that you're able to control it from here. Has the fixture that you require to set up the whole entire thing. Some stakes for the ground, the entire lighting setup. And we're gonna set this up. They give you zip ties so you could tie them up all together. So we're gonna set this up and see how it looks at night. Look at the long stick for the Christmas tree. Comes with the stakes, all right? So you don't have to worry about it. We're going to set the star up, and of course it comes with the clip that you can just clip it in there. All right, here's the Christmas tree that we're almost finished with all the stars. I got a little assistant here. He's poking all the holes around it so you can see all the lights. Here's the Christmas tree, guys. Now the strings could stretch out really long, but the best part is the control. I'm going to show you guys the controller right now. All right, so we're going to do the controller. We're going to try different modes. Go ahead and try different modes. Try different buttons. Look at the beautiful stars. Look at that. It's an awesome tree. And this is a yard, and you can stretch these even longer. I just shortened them up right now because we're outdoor. Oh, that's a beautiful one. Look at that. Right now he's messing with the controller, but look at that one. It's gonna go in the middle. You have plenty of modes, lots of options. It took about maybe 5 minutes to set up the whole thing together, except for the actual lights. The lights took a while because we had to stab them every single one of them. But the actual system itself to putting it together took about 5 minutes. But the rest took a little longer, and it comes with the remote, which is great. This is great for your garden, your outdoors. So hope you guys enjoy this video.